Hi guys, welcome to another short video from Bitesize Excel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the LEN function. Now if we go to our Formulas tab, the LEN function is one of our text functions. And what it does is it returns the number of characters within your cell, or more accurately, in the text string in your cell. So this is an extremely simple function. We essentially type equals LEN, open our brackets, and then select the cell where we want to know the number of characters. Hitting enter, you'll see the 6 characters because there's 6 letters in apples. If we then copy this function down, you'll see there's 6 characters within 100,000, and there's 8 characters within this cell that says red text. Now it's 8 characters rather than 7 letters because the space does count as a character. One point to note with LEN is that it will ignore formatting of your cells. So for example, if we use the shortcut Ctrl+1 to open up our Format Cells box and add a comma separator to this, you'll note that it still says it's 6, even though there's now a comma in here. Because that's formatting, it hasn't picked it up as a character. You could also change this to currency, and it will remain as 6 because the content of the cell still has 6 characters, even though it's formatted so it looks like it has many more than that. LEN is particularly useful when combining it with things like left, right, and mid when you're trying to extract certain parts of a cell. We'll go into this in a little bit more detail in future videos, but if there's any specific examples you'd like to see, please do let me know in a comment. So this has been a whistle-stop introduction to the LEN function. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel, and I do look forward to seeing you in the next video.